Hey, how's it going? It's Sam Frost here, and in this video, I'm going to show you in less than 1 minute how to exclude your Google ads on the display network from showing in mobile apps. So if you want to block mobile app placements, here's what you need to do. Start by downloading the Google Ads editor. I'll leave a link in the video description. Go and log into your account. So you want to open up your account, and then from in there, you want to find the campaign or campaigns that have mobile app ad placements that you want to stop. So I'll open up my test campaign for this purpose. So I've got that loaded up. Now what you want to do is navigate on this left-hand menu to mobile app categories negative. So it's the option under the manage pane above YouTube videos. If you can't see that, you might need to click the hamburger menu. Now you want to click add negative mobile app category, click at the campaign level or at the ad group level if you wanted to do it there, and select all apps. And then all you need to do is click on post. Once that's done, you could post it to all campaigns if you've edited more than one or selected campaigns. And once that's done, boom, you have mobile app ads blocked or mobile app placements blocked in your display ad campaigns. Thank you so much for watching. If you get stuck, let me know. I'm more than happy to help you out. I can't guarantee that this will work forever as well. Google has a nasty tendency to change what works on their platform and sort of take features away. It used to be easier to block mobile app placements. You didn't need to worry about using the Google Ads editor. There are other ways to do it as well, but this is the fastest, easiest way. As long as you've got Google Ads editor installed, you can literally do it in less than a minute. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.